Good morning, students. I am Nisha Sindhi and I am taking second standard math subject. Today's topic is division, chapter 2, division. So students, in our previous class we have learned about the division on a number line, division facts from multiplication tables, division facts from multiplication tables, and in this class you are going to learn division using tables, how to divide using tables, division using tables. So students, practice time, divide using tables. Now we have to divide the using tables with the help of tables. So here hint is given. Here hint is given how to use the tables and divide. So first is 2 into is equal to 12. So 2, how many? 2 is equal to, so here we already know 2 table. 2's table we already know. So 2, right here 6. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. So now we have to divide using tables. Here what they have given, 12 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2 is equal to, answer is 6. 12 divided by 2 is equal to, answer is 6. We have used the table division using tables. 2 6 are 12. So we got the answer, 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. So students, I can show you here. I will show you here. See, right here 12, right here 2. So let's count the 2's table. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 6s are 12. Right here 6. We got the answer, 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. So I have already written here, 12 divided by 2 is equal to, answer is 6. Next one. So students, here hint is given, 3 into is equal to 18. So students, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. We already know the 3's table, right here 6. 3 6 are 18. So 18 divided by 3 is equal to, answer is 6. We are division using table. We are doing the division using tables. 18 divided by 3 is equal to, answer is 6. So students, let's see the next example. Here hint is given, 5 into is equal to 15. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. So 15 divided by 5 is equal to, answer is 3. 15 divided by 5 is equal to, answer is 3. So next one example is hint, 2 into 2 8s are 2 8s are, answer is 16. So 16 divided by 2 is equal to, answer is 8. So we got the answer 8. 16 divided by 2, answer is 8. We have used the tables. Next one is hint, 6 into is equal to 24. So we already know the 6 table. 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24. So what they have given, 24 divided by 6 is equal to, answer is 4. 24 divided by 6 is equal to, answer is 4. So next example is hint given, 4 into 4's table we already know. 4 5s are 20. 20 divided by 4 is equal to, answer is 5. 20 divided by 4 is equal to answer is 5. Next example is 8 into dash is equal to 56. So we already know the 8 table. 8 sevens are 56. Right here 7. 8 sevens are 56. So students, 56 divided by 8 is equal to answer is 7. Answer is 7. So students, hint, 10 into dash is equal to 100. We know the 10 table. So right here 10 tens are 100. 10 into 10 is equal to 100. So 100 divided by 10 is equal to answer is 10. Answer is 10. So students, next example is 9 into dash is equal to 63. So you know the 9's table. 9 sevens are 63. Right here 7. 9 sevens are 63. So 63 divided by 9 is equal to answer is 7. Right here answer is 7. So students, hope you understood the practice time divide using tables. Now it's time for the homework. So solve all these problems in your maths homework notebook, page number 102, and send on WhatsApp. Thank you.